Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kings. This is a channel that teaches you a lot of online skills where you can use those skills, imbibe them in some areas and gain a lot of money. So very quickly I'm going to teach you how you can gain more bots and more boost enlargement. So basically it's going to be about for ladies, those that want to body enlargement, their butts, their boobs and other parts of their body. So if you are new to this channel, you are seeing this channel for the first time, Tech Kings, please do make sure you hit the subscribe button, then you wait patiently and then hit the notification bell button as it will be popping up. So once you hit the subscribe button, you refresh, then the notification bell button pops up, you click on it, then you click on all, then you have subscribed already. You can see you get all notifications. So I have loads of videos here, you can go through them, both old and new videos, you can go through all them. So let's get back to our topic for today. So I want to teach you how you can get bigger butts and hips and also boobs. So very quickly, let me show you examples of this stuff I'm talking about. You can see this is one. This video is just mainly for ladies, it's sensitive. If you're a guy and watching, please don't think otherwise. This video is just for an educational purpose. So this is one, you can see this is one, this is one, this another, this, and finally this one. So I'm going to go back to the first one. Now let me leave it here. To gain a body enlargement with the butts and the boobs, you need estrogen has to be pumped in your system. So estrogen is the hormone that is responsible for this enlargement. Now you don't need to bother about gaining enlargements on those areas I mentioned, as the only one you should be troubled about is the one at your lower abdomen. That's the one in your stomach, because it normally presses and it causes contraction and thereabout. You cannot give birth to your child easily because of too much fat. Your child also will gain a lot of fat. But the one at your lower hips, the one at your chest, those ones are, they don't they don't cause any contraction. So what you need to do is just to reduce your belly fat, and that's all. So this method I'm going to be teaching you will help you to increase or boost the percentage of estrogen released in your blood. As I told you, estrogen is an hormone mainly for females that once released in the blood, it increases the body size, it causes enlargement. So there's something that is trending recently on Instagram and on YouTube and also on Facebook and Twitter, though it made a trend about 2018 and it's coming back now. Many ladies are using MAGGI cubes. So I would advise you, please and please don't use MAGGI cubes. Don't use MAGGI cubes. They said the MAGGI cubes will be inserted through their anus, and thereby it causes the enlargement. Yes, what many people are not saying is it will actually cause the enlargement, but it leads to death as um, time comes, because this MAGGI cubes contains a high level of iodine, which are supposed to work for your body system when ingested through the right organ. But then you just find out that it dissolves into the anus and thereabouts just stays there, and the ions are being released and into the caecum, and then it damages your system. But it enhances the increase of estrogen, which is the female hormone, as I told you earlier, but then causes death. Some people also use some oils. Oils are kind of somehow acceptable, because these oils are natural oils. They are fatty acids extracted from some plants, and we use oils as creams just to keep our skin moistened. So these oils contain some mix, that's some formulations that causes the increase in this estrogen in the blood, and thereby causes increase in the body part enlargement. So some oils, I will not be mentioning the oils, but check the description menu below, you see those oils and you can purchase them via the links. So another thing is ingestion or injection. You go to the hospital, they give you injection, and you get this enlargement. But if you listen to me, this is an advice. Many of you don't like hearing the truth, but I always say it. This channel Tech Kings always tells you the truth. So um you don't have to enlarge anything. When you were created by God, he gave some people particular size of body, the same size. Some are huge, some have big hips, some have small breasts, some have big boobs, some have big head, some have small head. He has a reason for everything. Do not go for any enlargement or breast filament or anything, as these things can cause an havoc to your system. I've seen I was taught in school that silicone can be used as boost filaments to fill, to enlarge, and I've watched on YouTube also several videos on how these surgeries are being done, and how these things are being fixed. It will cause abnormal growth, which we all know as cancer for the medical students. So once this is done, it will damage your system and cause death at a short period of time. That's why you see many ladies, or especially those that are bleaching, they use bleaching cream. Is it that you don't like the skin that God has given you? You go and bleach, and thereabouts, once you have an injury on your hand or your leg or any part of your body, because you have cleaned the melanin that is supposed to cause the thickness of your skin, thereby it's exposing your skin to dangerous hazard. Once you have a cut, it's hard for the skin to cover, and once it's infected, it can lead to the death of the person. So those ladies that have their videos here, most of them got theirs naturally, some get theirs naturally, but some, like this one, used surgery and even removed part of her hips, part of her ribs, so as to have a small waist. So I will not advise you not to, but the surgery is 50-50. You can go through that and you can stay through that. It's none of my business, but I've told you there is no need for all this. Just live on an ID diet and your estrogen will be produced into your blood normal. So for those of you who don't know about Tech Kings, you're watching my channel for the first time. So this is Tech Kings. If you love this video, you love what I do, you want to support me, you want to support Tech Kings, do make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell button as I told you from the intro of the video, so as to get notified of any of my new videos that will be uploaded. I also have a channel, my monetized channel, which is called Fash TV. You can also check that and gain a lot of things from there, a lot of skills. I have loads and loads and loads of interesting videos you will love. Okay guys, let me not bore you. Till next time, we see you again. Goodbye and God bless you. Stay blessed, and remember, the sky is your limit.